Hello again, this is Infiniti EX37 2010. We finished with the installation of that 12-inch Android navigation, Tesla style. Climatronics controls works. Factory cameras rear and the right one works also, and factory Parktronic. When you click on the screen, you take a visualization of the Climatronic, but you have to switch to parking. Okay, here you can change the degrees and the different zones and the speed of the fan of the Climatronic. And this is the main menu. Steering wheel controls works also, and factory amplifier. If you have any questions, write a comment, I'll answer. Subscribe to the channel, that is helping us. Thanks for watching, and if you need some upgrades for your car, you can contact us. See you in next video.